What did you say?
We beat Capstone, not a big deal, but...
Hello everyone, this is our third vlog of the year for FTC Team 10173, and in this video we're going to show our FLL qualifier that we hosted at Olathe Northwest and our open house, which was also at Olathe Northwest. To better explain what the FLL qualifier was, I'm going to show you a quick montage of a few of the clips I captured there. Even though the FLL qualifier was a huge success, we had a little turnaround time until we had to host our open house. Hey guys, what's going on? Today is Thursday, November 15th, and today we have our open house, which is a way that we can show our robots and different things in the engineering academy to students looking to join as freshmen. Even though it's really early in the year for a lot of the teams, it's a good way to test and see how well their designs work against the pressure of competition. Here are some of the designs our junior teams have. So we built this full-size field here to give our teams the ability to test before the open house.
Big doves, big doves, big doves. I think your team is doing so far.
Really well, considering we took it apart a week ago.
We have a part made of duct tape, but it's like perfect. Zoom in. Yeah, right here.
Just changed our whole design, pretty much.
Yo, it's fine. It's fine. Nice.
Because our intake wasn't working, so now we're a push bot.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.